Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 8 End of Module Project 1. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the workbook, save with a new name, and verify your name in cell B6 on the documentation sheet. Step 2. Data table. On income analysis, create a one-variable data table, E5, using cell C5 to calculate revenue, expenses, and net income based on units sold. Step 3. Break-even chart. Make a scatter plot, E4, title it, break-even point, adjust x-axis, min 2,500, and y-axis, min 2 million. Step 4. Two-variable table. Set up a table, E18, to analyze net income with varying sales prices and units, with a custom label in E18 as units sold. Step 5. Scenarios. Add a raise price scenario with details from Table 1. Step 6. Scenario summary in pivot table. Create a summary report, remove duplicate columns, and generate a pivot table showing total revenue, expenses, and net income, formatted in currency. Step 7. Scenario chart. Add a clustered column pivot chart based on the pivot table. Step 8. Solver optimization. Use Solver on product line to maximize net income by adjusting the product mix with given constraints. Step 9. Final save. Ensure the workbook matches final figures, save, close, and submit.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.